Hey everybody, welcome back to Aria Moore's Makeup Room where we learn and grow together. I am back with another Halloween tutorial and today we are all about your girl Pennywise. Yes, I said your girl Pennywise because we glammed her all the way up. I'm super excited to be showing you this tutorial step by step from eyes to the lips to the nose. Everything about this look is going to make you glow, baby. Everything does not have to be scary. But before we get into this video, you guys, I want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Give me some recommendations on some looks down below in the comments. Subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, guys. Again, this is all about Pennywise. And the best thing about this look is I don't eat children, but I do eat a bunch of glitter. Guys, I'm so excited to be back with you guys, and I just want to take some time to look at this look before we get into the tutorial because this is a trust the process. We are going to go in with our white eyeshadow base primer. And then we're going to go in with some, no, this is purple eyeshadow right outside of the nose. And we're going to make sure that that purple is nice and deep. I'm going to follow by with some blue. I end up mixing light blue as well as dark blue to get a real nice dark pigmented finish. And then I'm going back and forth over that purple and blue just to keep everything blended together, as well as going into the outer skirts with a nice orange to kind of make everything a little more flat and not too loud. My favorite part is always the cut crease. I just feel like the cut crease always makes the looks pop. So I'm going in with another white eyeshadow base primer and I am creating this nice cut crease. I'm using a flat brush to achieve this. And we're going to make sure that everything is nice and smooth before moving to the next step. This look was just super cute already, so I wanted to go in with some peach. Yep, you can't see it, so I had to get close. This is a peach color metallic. This is to soften the look and go ahead and set that base. Now that that is done, I went in with some green, guys. I wasn't really too sure about the green at first, but I knew that I wanted to just add a bunch of colors to kind of give it like a Halloween effect without doing too much. And the green ended up working out in the long run. So you guys just see me packing on that green really well and just doing what I do best. And it's just creating and just letting my hands do the talking. I love being a creative makeup artist because it just allows you to just be yourself. There's no rules to the steps that you take, the colors that you use. It's all about just expressing yourself emotionally. And that is why I just enjoy creating, and this just fits so well with me and my personality. That green definitely gave me some pop, especially in the under eye area, which is what I needed to make sure that the look did not dissolve. And what I mean by that is I didn't want the look to not have any personality. I really wanted to make sure that my eyes did stand out for this look. I went in with a light purple. It was kind of pinkish when it showed up, and mainly because I did not have any eyeshadow base underneath, but that was okay because for this look I wanted to kind of blow everything out just a little bit without doing too much. So it did work out. I went ahead and mixed it into that green a little bit and just kind of buffed everything and shaped everything right into that under eye area, as you guys can see right here. And it just starts to go together. The more that I placed on my face, the more this look really came together and just became alive. I wanted to finish that off with some blue. Now, instead of mixing light blue and dark blue, I just strictly stuck with the dark blue eyeshadow and just focused right underneath that waterline area. It was just bringing so much personality already. I love how it shaped my eyes, guys. And then I went right back into that purple and brought that right back up under that blue, just to create that very nice dramatic under eye that I was looking for. Look at your girl, just so cute. I'll be so focused, y'all. I'll be like really focused. Again, makeup is just all about being yourself and expressing yourself emotionally through your art. And today I was just feeling like the world just was weighing on me, and I just wanted to create a look that made me feel like myself. I finished it out with another orange eyeshadow right here into the close waterline. And now we're going to go ahead and blush everything up. I started with red blush And then I went over that red with blue blush, and then went over that blue blush with purple blush. And I really took my time to blend everything together to make it nice and shiny. And that just created a really good cheek. Now, let's put this liner to use. This pink liner from Juvia's Place has not been my favorite. However, I knew that I could use it for this look, and it is still not my favorite liner. However, I decided not to even take it back to the store to just keep using it. I'm not really sure if I plan on getting any more of her liners, even though I love her products. But you guys, you see me here just creating this line work, starting from the tip of my lips and working up into my eye area, creating that line. And this is where the Pennywise look really started to come to life. Now I'm really getting into character, just taking my time. You do want to take some time when you are doing your line work, because when you're using a liquid liner, it will smear. As you can see, it smeared a little bit, but the kind of makeup artist I am is sometimes I just feel like a disaster can just really make the difference in your masterpiece and make it your own. So I do not always go over and fix my mistakes. I just trust the process and just allow whatever happened to happen. Now I have to create that cute pink tip nose, guys. And I am so glad that I decided to do pink, because this to me was just better than doing red and making it all scary. I'm really loving just like glam looks. Like I'm really a full-blown glam makeup artist, guys. I just try to stay away from anything too scary, and I don't be wanting to scare my kids anyway. Now, bless me. Now I want to go ahead and do my lips. So I put a base on my lips. That way I can make the colors pop a little bit more. And I'm using my pink eyeshadow as well as an angle brush to shape the outside of my lips. As you guys can see, it is starting to really come together, and that is the exciting part. Look at that lip. Somebody look at this lip. Anyway, guys, I'm continuing to outline my lip with the pink eyeshadow, guys. Eyeshadow, lining your lips with eyeshadow really, really works, guys. It will last all day long. I recommend it 10 out of 10. Now I'm using some really bright pink. This is basically like a lip gloss, but it's not really a lip gloss. I don't know. But it's very pigmented, it's very pink, and it shows up very well. And then I decided to use a eyeshadow brush to kind of flatten everything out and get it nice and smooth. And then I like to go in with my setting powder and get everything nice and matte and set for the full day. Glitter time. Let's go in with our glitter as well as our glitter glue to just really pizzazz the look. There is no such thing as a glam look without glitter, guys. You got to have the glitter. So I went in with my eyeshadow brush and I kind of just dapped some of that glue on, and then I'll go straight into that glitter and just really create this nice glitter eyelid. Once I seen it come together, I was just like, yes. I be trying not to get too excited too far ahead, but guys, this is the point where my heart was just like, this is the look that was in my head from the start. Sometimes we may have an idea for a look, and the minute we get started, it just does not be that look at all. And I just love that this look actually came out to the look that I had in my head originally. So I was super excited about that. I did the same thing on both eyes. I started out with my glue, and then I went over top with some glitter. And as you guys can see, I'm not caking the glitter on into one spot. I'm actually spreading it out. I didn't want the glitter to just look too packed on. I just wanted it there. If you made it this far in the video, I do want to encourage you again to subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate if you go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. That way I know to make more videos like this in the future. And then I decided last minute, let's go ahead and do the lips. Why not add the glitter to the lips? So I had to do the same thing, which is go ahead and add that glue and then start to spread that glitter out on my lips. Guys, if you wanted to, you could literally stop right here with the look and it would still be just as beautiful. Something about glitter and pink. Oh my God. I just felt like everything in this world. Yes, baby. Yes. And then why not? If we're going to do the eyes and the lips, baby, we got to do the nose. That is the star of the show. I promise you. It really is. Now I want to do the same thing. I'm taking a really thin brush and going over this area here on my lines to create another glitter look. And of course, my baby wanted to come and say hi. She woke up and was like, hi, mama. So I was like, go ahead and come and say hi, baby. Now you guys are going to see me adding my eyeshadow. This is my eyeshadow glue, and I am adding some crystals because I just love me some crystals, and this look is perfect for it. I really appreciate the crystals because I just feel like it makes the look come to life even more. So between the crystals and the glitter, this look was just really coming together, and I'm super proud of myself, guys. I cannot wait to see you guys try this. And this is the final look, guys. Make sure you try this girly Pennywise Glam, guys. Halloween is right around the corner, and you want to step out looking your best as well as different. So this is a perfect look for all the girls who want to do a look but do not want to scare the guys away. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Do make sure you take some time to subscribe to the channel. Check out other videos on this channel. I have all kinds of tutorials for you. My last video, I would love for you guys to go and check that out. I showed you how to achieve my nice, clean foundation finish. It is super, super fun to watch my videos, you guys, and very relatable. So make sure you go and check out other videos, you guys. Until next time, bye.